Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to try the same task using different AI systems and see their performance. My goal is to make something like this, which has been covered in one of my previous tutorials. The logic is pretty simple, but not that easy. You need a couple of hours to understand it if you have never used Grasshopper before. So let's see how the AI are doing with this task. First, let's try ChatGPT. I'm going to paste it. It says create a Grasshopper Python file that generates a curved roof. In the top view, the roof appears elliptical. The outer, inner, and intermediate curves are all sine curves. The script provides a control over the size, periods, height, and other parameters of the curve. Finally, a loft is generated using the three curves. Fill the script with example inputs. Great. Let's copy this and let's run it here. Okay, so the loft has been generated. I'm going to come over here, change it to loft. Perfect. It looks great. It works. So I'm going to change the input number a little bit. Let me see the logic. Okay, I think I have to change the logic here just a little bit. Awesome, great. ChatGPT is still very good. So I see that the radius is 10 for this direction, the radius is 5 for this direction. So this is beautiful. It works very well. I'm going to bake it and I'm going to send it to ChatGPT. It's amazing. Okay, now let's try DeepSeek. I'm going to turn off this and I'm going to copy this. Great. Copy. Ooh, look at that. Looks pretty good. The period is 2 right now. Let me make it like 6. Huh, looks awesome. So let me make it deeper. If I change the amplitude, looks awesome. This is great. Works very well. Somebody bake it. See, the DeepSeek even just assign the loft as the name A. So you don't have to change anything for the output part, which is very good. Okay, let me lock this one and copy the requirement again. Let's try the Qwen or Qwen. It's the AI made by Alibaba. Make a copy right here. Run it. It says no overload for method curve create interpolate curve. I think there is some sort of bug here. Let me see if I can get rid of it very quick. So this part also no overload for method wrap create from loft. Let's check this real quick. Okay. So it's this part that has problem. See if it works now. Not this one. That would be amazing, isn't it? So the return is this. I'm going to write A equals roof surface. Great, it generated something, but it's not closed. Let's see what's going on. So the period, it has been set to 2, which is not good enough. I'm going to make it 6. That looks great. And the inner scale factor is 0.7. That looks too much. I'm going to change it to 0.4. Looks great. So it generally works, except that this part is not closed curve. Let me see what's going on here. Okay, I see what's going on. That's because the create interpolated curve doesn't really have the enclosed one, I guess. Let's see if I can fix it. So I'm going to type in, I'm just going to be lazy. Outer curve equals, inner curve equals, and the intermediate curve equals. I'm going to type in here RG curve, create periodic curve, and then bring this curve in. Okay, same here and same here. Perfect. Let's see. Okay, connected. So this Qwen or Qwen kind of thing, it's doing all right, but still needs some debug process. Great. Let's bake this one also. Delete this. And let's try Gemini. I'm going to copy this and let's move to Gemini. Great. Let's make a copy. Try it. Ooh, what's going on here? Here it is right here. It's 12. Let's make it 6. Again, it's 11. It's just weird, huh? So yeah, I think this one is very hard to really get an output by make a bunch of changes or debug process. So I will vote a no for Gemini. Okay, let's move to Claude. I heard this one is very good. Never really tried it before. Again, make a copy. Go to Claude. I will make a copy. I'll go back to this file, paste it here, and let's run. Yeah, I don't think it really works because it doesn't even have a point at for the ellipse. So this one fails in the very early step. I will just tell Claude to edit, see if we can make any changes. Okay, let's make a copy. So not enough valid curves to create loft. Despite the fact that I literally used its recommended input, none of those things were created. So I will give it a fail. I think this is a very good task to try all of those models because Grasshopper Python file, how often do you hear that? Not quite often. I think in the training data set, the model doesn't get enough input about this. But it's still, ChatGPT, DeepSeek, and Qwen or Qwen did a good work. I think they are very powerful. Thank you so much for your attention, and I'm looking forward to see you in our next tutorial.